just went in my ear. Where's my clip? Oh my gosh, my clip is not thick enough. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk to you about curling your hair. So basically, I mostly straighten my hair every single day, and to be honest, I'm getting really sick and tired of it. What better way than to get into the spirit and change up your look? I've been really into curling my hair lately, just for something different, just for a change. Yeah, why not? Like, why not? I've tried a few different types of curling techniques. I've tried rollers, I've tried the big hair styler, I've tried the curl secret, I've tried clamp curling ones, and today I want to talk to you about my favorite, which is the Muck hair styler, and it is a clampless curling wand with interchangeable barrels, so all different sizes to give you different types of curls, different sizes and different looks that you can create with them. So basically, let's just get into the review and the tutorial, and I'm going to transfer my hair from straight and a little boring maybe into fun, voluptuous curls that you can wear really easily, really quickly. I'm just going to show you. So my Muck hair styler came in this box here. I'll just show you what it looks like. So nice, sleek, fun, secure box. I've had this actually for a few years and I'm only just reviewing it now. So this is how good it is. It's lasted me, oh my gosh, I think this is maybe the third year I've had it, and we're nearly at the end of the year. Had absolutely no problems with it. It does come with a 1-year warranty. You can extend it for up to 2 years if you'd like. I actually won this from Beauty Heaven. Thank you so much, guys. Let's just get on with it and I'll show you what. So basically, your Muck curl stick, this is without the barrels. Obviously, it just comes like this. So you've got your on-off switch here, and you've got your 3 different heat settings. So 130, 170 and 210. Obviously 130 is recommended for, you know, if you've got really fine damaged hair, and then 170 if your hair is a little bit more thicker and healthier and can handle a little bit more heat. And then 210, which is obviously the hottest heat setting, which personally, even though my hair is quite damaged, it's, you know, very heavily bleached and colored, I do prefer the hotter setting just because it gets the job done faster. And because this is such a good quality curl stick made with titanium plates, it actually says that that material does help to protect your hair anyway. It sort of locks in moisture, keeps the cuticle sort of sealed and protected. So in saying that, I don't actually feel so bad in using that high heat setting. And you know, I've been using it for years. As I said, I've been using this curling one for quite some time, quite a few years, and I'm just completely happy with it. I don't find that it's completely just chopping my hair off. So this is a swivel cord, which makes it really, really easy to get around your head. The cord is actually 3 meters long, which is fantastic when you're doing your hair. You know, you could be in a place where you don't have a lot of room, or your PowerPoint is far away. This 3 meter cord just makes life so much easier. It's amazing. It does come with a black heat protectant sort of glove that you can use. I've lost my glove over the years. I don't know where it is. I never really used it, to be honest. I just find it easier without a glove on. You know, and I haven't really burnt myself that much. Not on my hands. I mainly burn myself on my neck every now and again, but I'm sort of getting the hang of it, not so much anymore. But yeah, I've lost my glove. But you know, if that's something that you require or that you like when using a curling wand, then this does come with that for you. So I've had a look on the Muck website. This particular box, I know that you can still get the same curling wand. However, now I believe you can get, I think, 5 or 6 interchangeable sized barrels. Mine just came with 3, so I'll show you those. This is the smallest one that it comes with. It's a 9 to 19 millimeter barrel. This is the second size. It's a 19 to 25 millimeter barrel. The third one, which is the thickest one, is a 25 to 25 millimeter barrel. So this one sort of doesn't go thick to thin at the end. It's all one size. And this is actually my preferred size and the one that I use the most, because I do prefer larger curls rather than tight, small sort of curls. For every day, this just gives a relaxed sort of look that I like to go for every day. So I just like to keep it more relaxed. So this is what I use. As you can see, it's a little bit beaten up. This is only just because of my hair extensions sort of melting onto it. Obviously my hair extensions are a little not super real hair, so it sort of must have a bit of plastic in there that sort of just melts onto the barrel, but that hasn't affected the performance of this in any way at all. It completely works amazingly well, which I will show you now. So let's just get on with it. I'm going to curl my hair. I'm going to curl it into sections. That's just what I find to be the easiest way to do it. My hair is quite thick and long, so it does take me about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how slow I am, but usually it doesn't really take that long at all. I can usually do it in the morning before I have to go to work, so I usually don't have a lot of time to get ready, so it's just, yeah, it just makes my life so much easier, and it's really fun to change up my look, and I really enjoy using it, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so it's really simple to put on your barrels. It's got these two little buttons on the side here which press in and out. Pressing in releases your barrel off. And to connect it on, I'm just going to connect the large one because that's the one I like to use. As you can see, there's 4 nozzles there and 4 holes. So really easy to use. Anyone can sort of work it out, pop it on, snap it in, and you're ready to go. Now I'm just going to turn on the button here. This is the on button. It starts off on the 210 degrees, which is the highest, which is the one I like. So I'm just going to let that heat up. It really heats up so quickly. Like I can already feel the heat now after a few seconds. It's already getting really hot. So that's really time saving and handy and convenient. So I love that. So I'm just going to start off by sectioning my hair. Also, I'll just mention here, there's this little nozzle here. So basically this is a precautionary protection resting thing. So basically you can pop this down on your bench and it's not going to burn anything because as it's resting, as you can see on my hand there, it's not touching the surface underneath. So it's not going to damage your bathroom bench top or anything like that. So if you're concerned about that, that's really handy because you're always like putting your curling wand down and sectioning your hair and picking it back up. So that's a really good feature that it has there. I'm just going to pop that down now and begin to section off my hair. I have my little clip here that is my little buddy that I use all the time. I'm just going to start off on this side that has a less amount of hair. I usually start from the front and work my way to the back. But of course you can curl your hair however you'd like to. There's no right or wrong way in my opinion. You just do what works. A lot of people seem to curl away from their head. I do that as well, but sometimes I find myself curling it in and that seems to work too because at the end of the day I'm just gonna not brush them all out. I find that makes them fall out just too much. I like to have quite a lot of bounce and volume, so I just sort of put my fingers through and comb them out that way. I should mention too is what's really good about this is that I notice with a lot of curling wands, you sort of have to curl your hair, hold it for ages, and when you let it go, like I've only been holding it for what, like 10 seconds, when you let it go, I've seen a lot of people that feel like they have to hold their curl up just to seal it or like pin them up, but honestly with this you really don't need to. Like it's going to hold your curl. Yeah, it's just amazing. Like you really don't need to do much. Oh my gosh, I have so much hair. Anyway, I'm just going to keep going with the curling. Okay, we're halfway there guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and do the other side. As you can see, look at the length difference. It's so funny, but yeah, I just love how this is like, it just gives you the most beautiful natural sort of, I don't know, it reminds me sort of Victoria's Secret curls. Like it's what every girl wants, like in my opinion, you know, they want that beautiful sort of effortless sort of natural looking curl that's just fun and just easy, you know, like, and it looks so good for just everyday wear. Like I just love that. Isn't that gorgeous? I love how it does that. All right, I'm just gonna go do the other side. How bouncy it makes like your hair too. Like my hair's not like by any standard healthy, so for it to be able to do that is pretty cool. And like I've been wearing my hair like this to work a few times lately, and I work long hours some days, and this is completely just, it just stays. It stays in, doesn't, the curl like barely falls out at all. It's pretty impressive. Alright, we are done. Let's just unclip all this hair, flip it the other side. Ugh. Okay, hair going all over the place. Alright, so I'm just going to run my fingers through my hair like I said that I do at the start. So as you can probably tell, I sort of went this way and then I went that way. Like, I'm not real fussy with how which way I curl my hair. I just sort of go with whatever I feel like doing, or whichever way my hand decides to roll the hair on. But it just seems to work. Like, this curling one just makes curling hair really, really easy, honestly. Like, it heats up really fast, it's super hot, it curls the hair so fast. Yeah, it literally takes me 10 to 15 minutes in the morning to do, and like, I've got, you know, Hollywood glamour sort of curls, and I just love it. Like, it just looks so natural, and like, maybe I've spent hours, you know, doing it when I really haven't. So I'm just going to finish off with some Oribe spray. I've got a Wave and Shine spray, which just adds some shine to my damaged bleached hair, and then a texturizing spray, which just gives obviously some texture to the curls. So I'm going to do the Shine spray first. Oh, there's one in my ear. Oh, real clever, this one. Okay, and now the texturizing spray. Whoa, comes out really fast. This stuff smells really good too. I'll have it linked below. It's like really nice, really, really nice smelling. And just like, this makes my hair look better because it's, as I said, it's damaged. It's not the best, in the best condition or anything, but using products like, bring on the hair products. I just use everything because I want my hair to sort of, I want it to be in good condition, so I do try. You know, I use heat protection spray, I use leave-in conditioner, I use treatments and masks and sprays and everything, and serums as well. Like, just whatever I've got, I will shove it in my hair and hope for the best. So yeah, anyway, that's basically my review of the Muck hair curling wand stick, whatever you want to call it. I'll have everything linked below in case you want to check them out. I really highly recommend them if you're looking on the market for a curling wand, or for a new curling wand, or if you're a first time hair curler. You know, I would highly recommend investing in one of these because it is worth the money. As I said at the beginning, I have the 3 different sizes, but I'm pretty sure this set comes with more than that now if you're after a little bit more variety. As you can see, this is how it looks with the largest barrel, the 25mm one. It just gives these beautiful big curls. Like, it's just amazing. Yeah, I don't know what else I can say about it. I highly recommend it, and this is how it's transformed my hair. So hopefully it will do something good for you as well that you like. It just softens the look, I feel like, as well. Like, it just, sometimes straight hair can look really harsh, and I think curls just are friendly, you know, they're just a friendly sort of hairstyle. I really like it. So anyway, if you do enjoy this video, I would appreciate it so much if you gave it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you're new, because I'll be doing more videos very, very soon. So if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you're new here for more videos coming very soon. It's absolutely free, and I'll see you very soon in my next video, guys. Bye!